Delhi, meanwhile, is grappling with one of its worst air pollution episodes in many years. New data shows that the city's air quality in the first 8 days of December was the worst since 2018, with an average AQI of about 343, putting the residents at some serious health risk. The city has been blanketed by some dense smog, with AQI readings soaring above 400 in several areas, placing Delhi in the severe category. Visibility is low, flights have been delayed, and residents are being urged to limit outdoor activity. So in the first 8 days of the month, also in the very poor range, the average AQI for the month has in fact climbed to 343. And the second worst for this part of the month, 2015 onward, when CPCB started publishing these bulletins. A higher average was recorded only in 2016, when this number was 366. And the authorities have enforced strict measures under the Graded Response Action Plan, and schools are partially closed. Work-from-home policies are encouraged, and vehicles without a valid pollution under control certificate will not be allowed to refuel starting from tomorrow. Now, experts say that a combination of factors is fueling this crisis, and vehicular emissions, industrial pollution, crop residue burning in neighboring states, and also winter weather conditions that trap pollutants close to the ground. And over 100 flights being cancelled at the Delhi airport due to smog. And according to Indigo's website, about 53 Delhi flights were cancelled on Friday, including 27 departures and 26 arrivals. Indigo cancelled about 59 flights in its domestic circuit on Thursday, as per the airline's website. Now, health officials have warned that prolonged exposure can aggravate respiratory problems, especially in children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing conditions. Now, hospitals report a rise in cases of asthma attacks and breathing difficulties, with pollution levels remaining dangerously high. And experts have urged for immediate and sustained action to reduce emissions and to prevent further deterioration. Residents have been advised to wear face masks outdoors and to monitor air quality updates closely, as the city is facing some very hazardous winter season. And also, WION's correspondent Rhythm Sharma has been tracking the story very closely for us and has sent us this report. Listen in.
Delhi is choking. The region has been like a gas chamber for 8 continuous days now. And the AQI is likely to worsen over the weekend. It is already reaching above the 400 mark in some parts of Delhi. Now, doctors say that it will affect healthy individuals too. The health emergency isn't just limited to older people or children or people with lung diseases. Doctors also say that breathing such poisonous air is equivalent to smoking 20 cigarettes a day. Now, you can imagine the kind of damage it is causing to your lungs, to everybody's lungs. IMD has predicted that dense to very dense fog will remain over the next few days. The Delhi airport has already put out that flight operations have been impacted.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.